Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review of Mercedes E450. It's a beautiful car. This is the year model 2019 Mercedes E450 to share with you guys a new technology of 2019. And without wasting your time, let's get started. I'm going to show you every feature. Show you the engine. This is a 3.0 liter V6 bi-turbo engine and it's a 362 horsepower. It's a very powerful car. Please stay tuned for my channel and I'm going to bring a lot of videos as for DIY on this car. I really like it. To open the trunk, this is the emblem. You press it, when you press it, and it opens up. And that's the same feature, what we have seen on other Mercedes. That's the new feature, I really like it. It's very roomy. And look at the interior. This is really nice. I like it. Once you press that button, it goes all the way in the front. It's very easy. My lady can get in. And she's feeling so good. So this is the steering wheel. You press the button and it goes down. You can tilt it up and it has many controls functions on the steering wheel. That is a good feature that the mouse is right there, and if we look inside, as soon as the mouse is moving and we can scroll it. All the features. That's the home button next to it. The cruise control is right there, and on this side, that's the screen feature. You can change it, all the settings, and it's a big screen. Navigation, radio, media, phone. I mean, all the features are there, but these are more enhanced. And one of the best features, I really like it, it changed the whole dynamic system of this car. Switch it, that's the individual settings. This is the Sports Plus, Sports, Comfort, and Economy. On Economy, this changes to like this. If the whole system of the car will change. Changes the engine, traction control, and handling. When we keep it on economy, then this is auto stop. As soon as you press the brake pedal, it will shut off. And this is also the home button. This is the mouse. Scroll through here, you can change it. Anything you wanted to change it, you can change it. Look at this. The seats, everything. I mean, it's a really nice 2019 year model. Has the luxury, and one of the light, I really love it. All those light, if you look even underneath, the light here, then right here, it's going all the way around. Look at this. And if we look on the side, all the way light. At the floor, it's the same thing. And if we change the color to green, it changes the green. Any color, I mean, you name it, there are so many different combination of color, you can change it. That's one of the feature I really like in these the van. Let me turn it this way, then you can see it. And if you look at it at night time, then it's going to look really beautiful. And this is the same feature what we have, a start engine stop right there, and it has a 4 vent right on the middle, the 1 vent on, and this is the nice speakers. And also one of the best feature about this ambient lighting is you can change the color of the whole inside. As you scroll it, look at those colors. You can choose the color. So basically you can keep any color, what you like. If we look at the sunroof, look at this. This is the good feature. What it does is it lifts up the sunroof on the back, and in the front, then it opens up. Look at it. And the shade automatically comes out. Vanity mirror, it's the same feature. You open, and my lady is watching. Another feature, the microphone right here on the passenger side as well as on driver side. It's right there. One good feature I like about this is the wood. This is not a fabricated wood, it's a natural wood and a real wood. On the previous Mercedes, we had the clock up there. Now they brought the clock right here. Cup holder, so the USB right there. Right in the middle, just push up the button. There are two USB connections and SD card. Also, the vent, back speaker, the cup holder right in the middle. The camera. It's a big screen and it's very clear, very clear. And also this one has a parking assistant, which will let you park every time the correct way. And let's take a drive. Very smooth drive. If we look at right now, we are driving and we're going to go on a dead stop and the engine shuts off. Everything shuts off. Good feature is about it, once we pull the brakes on, and if you look at the hold came on, that means you can lift your feet and the car is not going to move. So what's basically going to happen, that once the hold comes on, the car is in standby mode, and once you lift your feet from brake pedal, it's not going to move. Once you press the accelerator, then it's going to start it and it's going to move. This is a really good feature. If you look at the belt, once you put the belt on, it retracts. And then at your comfort level, it just stops right there. What I wanted to show you the best feature, let me open it. Once I open it, we put it back. I'm just going to pull myself back. And what I wanted to share with you, once I'm going to open the door, and as soon as I'm going to close, look at this. Look at this. The seat belt, the lever extracts out and it basically brings the seat belt in front. So you don't have to go and search for it. It's right there. You pull it and you put the seat belt on. And then it goes back. As soon as you plugged in, it goes back. That's a really good feature. I like it. I hope you like the quick review of Mercedes E450, and if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel, and please let me know what other cars you like to see, and hopefully I will bring those reviews as well. Thanks and have a good day. Bye bye.